Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Mohammed Hassan. I am 25 years old. I'm
Mm-hmm.
from Egypt.
Uh-huh.
Um, I like watching movies, anime, listening to music,
Uh-huh.
read. Is my pronunciation is clear for you?
Yeah, very good.
Uh,
Very, very good.
okay. I like, as I said, watching
Anime.
uh,
Mm-hmm.
yes, and movies and reading books. I love reading so much. I'm an avid reader. Um,
That's
what
awesome.
else? What else? Furthermore, I am looking forward to be a translator. So that's why I'm
Oh,
learning. I'm
English.
learning English. Uh-huh.
How funny, the last person I talked to also is studying to be a translator. Isn't that
Awesome.
funny? So, what do you want to translate? Like, what's your native language? Well, wait, where are you from? Oh, you're from Egypt. Okay.
Yes.
So, what's
Uh-huh.
your native language? Is it Arabic?
Yes, it's Arabic.
Uh-huh. And
Arabic
so
is a wonderful language.
it's so
So
beautiful. Yeah.
the reason that why I need to be a translator or I want to be a translator is that I want to transfer our literature, our poems, and our
Mm,
novels into English.
yes.
It's a really good language.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I mean, I don't speak Arabic, but when I hear it,
Uh-huh.
it sounds really beautiful. So,
Yes, of course.
so tell me about,
If you want to learn, I can teach you any some of words if you want.
yeah, okay, tell me one word. One word.
Okay.
Oh, wait, I do know one
أهلا.
word. I know this one. Salamu alaikum.
عليكم السلام. Yes, you're right. Yes. So we say Assalamu alaikum at the beginning of speech. When
Mm-hmm.
we start a speech with anyone, we say Assalamu alaikum. It means peace be upon you.
Ah, okay,
Uh-huh.
very good.
So it's like hello.
Hello. But it's really
Yes.
beautiful. Peace be upon you.
Hello means ahlan
Ahlan.
in Arabic.
Mm-hmm.
Ahlan, yes.
Very cool.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's so awesome. I love learning languages. That's why I teach
Mhm.
it, because I love languages so much.
Me too.
So tell me, what do you do now? Are you a translator right now, or?
No, we are in pandemic in Egypt,
Mm,
so I'm
so,
trying to improve my skills in English, listening or reading or speaking,
mm-hmm.
and increase my vocab. Read.
Uh-huh.
There is some stories. It called Oxford Bookworms.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I'm trying to read them so I
Mm-hmm.
can increase my vocab.
Vocab. Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Vocabulary. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, that's wonderful.
I,
And
I,
so,
I'm struggling. I'm struggling with this. Uh, I don't know how to increase my vocab, so it's
yeah,
a little bit difficult with me to me.
for you, yeah. Well,
Yes.
have you seen any of my videos and stuff like that about setting goals or anything like that?
No, I'm
No,
still.
that's okay.
Uh-huh.
You don't
But
have
I
to.
will. But I
Yeah.
will.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Well, you're in my group, so you know you can find those.
Mhm,
Well, what I always tell students is like the very first thing that I always want my students to do is to set goals, right? And this
mhm,
is important for you because you want to learn vocabulary that's really specific to your future plans, which is to be a translator, right?
yes.
I mean, you're not going to sit around learning like colors and animals. I mean, you probably know that stuff, but you're going to
Mhm,
like learn vocabulary so specific to translating, right?
mhm, right.
So what you want to translate, mostly poems and books, you said?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So,
And our songs is really good.
mm,
It has a lot of deep meanings. So I want to transfer our meanings into English. So
yeah. Mm-hmm.
mhm.
songs, books,
Songs, right?
poems. Yeah. So tell me
Mm.
about did you start learning English?
Well, I started in school,
Mm-hmm.
but when I was in school in the past, I couldn't understand the difference between tenses.
Yeah.
Past simple, past participle, present perfect. It
Oh,
makes it makes me confused,
makes
really,
everybody
because
confused.
in Arabic, yes, in Arabic we have three tenses. That's all.
Huh,
But in past, present, and
yeah.
order.
Mm-hmm.
That's the forms of verbs.
Yeah.
But in English, there's I think more than 12 tenses.
Yeah.
So
12 at
the most
least.
thing, uh, the
Mm-hmm.
most I struggled with to understand the tenses.
Yeah.
But with practice, listening more, and read some books, I finally could understand the grammar.
The grammar. Yeah.
Mhm,
Well, and I like what you said about studying grammar because people are always so worried about studying grammar, as in, oh, I have to be like doing grammar activities or reading from a book in grammar. But I
mhm.
like what you said in that you were reading books, you were watching
Yes.
movies, you
Mhm,
were, hey, that's funny. We both got messages at the same time.
mhm,
Yeah, let me put this on silent. But I like what you said about living English, right? Reading
mhm.
books, watching videos, watching TV, listening to music,
Yes.
because really
Yes.
that's the way that you can learn to express and understand
Mhm,
a language. I always tell my students grammar's cool, it can help you,
mhm,
but I hate grammar
mhm.
because so many people focus on, okay, all right, and it's just so true in school, right?
Yes.
In school they're like, okay, present tense, past tense, future tense, conditional tense, right? Future conditional, past conditional.
Yes. It brings me bad memories.
Memories, yeah. But you're so right, the real way to learn a language is to really live the language,
Yes.
and then the grammar stuff comes naturally.
Mhm,
And if you're in a situation like sometimes people have exams like the IELTS exam, then you study grammar, but no, I hate grammar.
mhm.
So yeah. So tell me about your family.
Well, I have two brothers and one sister,
Uh-huh.
uh, plus mom and dad.
Mm-hmm.
Um, one of my brothers, he's studying mass communication, and the
Uh-huh.
other is studying, how can I say it, painting.
Oh,
He's a painter. He's a good artist.
wow.
And the last one, the youngest sister,
Uh-huh.
she in the elementary school, I think.
Oh, she just finished elementary school. Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Okay, wow. Well, thank you so much for taking these 10 minutes to talk to me. It was lovely to meet you.
it was a pleasure. Thanks to you.
Yeah, you're so welcome. I hope I see you again.
Of course. Goodbye.
Bye.